Stop, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh, you have anything better to do, you dumb fuck! You wanna touch me? Get the fuck in the cell.
Hold on, we got another one. Gotta go, hon.
Don't touch me. I don't see you.
You tried to walk past them. They're not letting you in. Have a nice night.
We're going on the back. Don't touch me.
There you go. Just put your other arm.
I'll call the cops on you, you idiot.
I am a cop.
Yeah, you
You can let go. I got both.
abuse the power, you idiot. Got a grip. Really?
Yes.
So you guys have better stuff to do? Don't touch me. Please let go of me. I don't want you touching me. Honestly, I think you're gross.
Right now, you're my responsibility.
But I think you're gross.
I'm okay with that.
I think you're gross.
5'1" has a female once.
All of you are gross. So you guys have better stuff to do?
Stand by.
No? Nothing better to do?
6'5" has a 41.
Nothing better to do? Huh?
I'll be coming to headquarters.
Nothing better to do?
Should be nothing back
I'm not
there.
getting in unless I'm wearing.
You have to get in, hon. Stop. 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 Right? You're just gonna get another charge.
I don't care.
It's not worth
Let's
it.
spray me. I don't
It's
care.
not worth it.
I don't care. I'm not gonna.
All right.
No. You fucking idiot.
If you get her feet back in on the side,
You fucking idiot. 3 months. What? A girl in a car.
stop, Luke.
Watch it. Got her.
Please look it off me. I'm getting up.
Okay, well, they're gonna get off of you when we get to headquarters, okay? So just relax.
But you have better stuff to do, you dumb.
5'1" Belmar.
Do not take me to the police station.
13838.
Ow!
You cannot right now. You're under arrest. There.
Can I call my friends at least?
Not right now.
Please.
No.
Sir.
I'm just your transport.
I have anxieties. I need to get out of here.
Well, we're about to be out. It's only like a quarter mile away. Hey, Jen, just breathe. In through your nose and out through your mouth. You can't. You're under arrest. Would you like me to open the window for you? Jen, in through your nose and out of your mouth. You can't right now. You can't right now. You're fine. Just in.
I need to get out of the car now!
Okay.
Fucking idiot! Let me out!
Okay.
Fucking idiot! I need to get...
All right. Well, this is all recorded, just so you know.
I don't give a fuck. Don't fuck.
Okay.
I'm getting out now.
I'm gonna get you out in literally 30 seconds.
Shut the fuck up, you dumb fuck.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about you, idiot.
All right. I'm just trying to be pleasant with you. Okay. Yep.
Can I please call my friends?
Not right now.
How am I supposed to then?
You can later
When's the later?
when you're released. We're just going right over here. It's right up this way. Well, unfortunately, I have
I don't want you to touch me.
to. Too bad. Come in here. Stop, please.
No. Fucking idiot, don't touch me. I don't want to touch.
Then walk on your own. I just have to get your purse off, okay?
I don't care. It's hooked onto me, idiot. Can I go home?
Nope.
Why don't you take a seat and take a breath? Okay.
I actually need to go home now.
Okay, well,
I'm
you
having
need-
anxiety attacks, and I want the lawyers here.
Okay.
Lawyers now!
You're not going
Don't
home.
touch
Have
me.
a seat. Then have a seat.
I don't
And
care.
act right.
No.
Okay. You can just go right in the cell.
No.
Come on. Stop. Stop.
Okay,
Just make sure there's nothing in her pockets.
No one touched me.
Slow, don't start.
I gotta go
Don't.
home.
You gotta pop your shoes off here.
What are you doing? I'm not.
What's her name?
Stop, you're gonna hurt yourself.
I don't care.
Stop
I
on my foot one more time.
It's so stupid out of here.
Just kick your shoes off,
No,
please.
I want to go home. I'm not kicking my shoes off, you idiot.
Thank you. All right, come on, Jen.
Hold on, I gotta get this thing out of my pocket.
Let's go to Let's go to the cell.
I'm not moving.
Everything good?
Okay, we can help you, but I would much rather you walk on your own.
All right, Jen. We're gonna pick you up. All right.
Stand up, nice and easy. Okay.
Right there.
No.
I don't want her bracelet to break.
I want these off, and I want to go home.
Okay. Well, stomping on my foot and kicking your legs around is not going to change that.
I wasn't doing anything wrong, you idiots!
Next.
I wasn't. That's the thing. Like, I literally wasn't.
Very great. Stop. Stop.
You fucking idiot.
Don't let her kick you.
I'm not doing it. I'm not going.
You know what? Stop.
Take these off of me now.
You got her legs out.
You need to stop. Okay. You want to go home? Then stop. And just listen to what we say.
Let me go home.
Stop kicking.
So you guys have better stuff to do, you idiots.
Well-
Go arrest somebody that's doing something bad. You fucking idiots.
Well, now you got her attention, so you gotta.
No, you fucking idiots. So you have anything better to do, you dumb f***s. Ow! Ah!
Stop.
Jen, if you
Jen,
walk...
stop.
It hurts.
Okay, you're making it hurt.
It hurts.
Stop.
You guys are hurting me.
Yep.
You guys are hurting me. Ow! 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 You fucking dumb f***s.
Jen, let me get those off you.
No.
Let me just get the cuffs on. Stay right there. Stay right there.
I'm gonna actually, you guys have a big lawsuit coming, you fucking guys.
Okie dokie.
Best of luck to you. Best of luck to you. What's your name?
I'm Patrolman Lieb.
Lee, what's your name? Okay. Oh, my lawyers will be talking to you soon.
Okay, just have a seat. We'll be right with you.
Fucking idiot.
Don't fucking do it.
Fucking idiot.
Don't fucking do it.
Okay, well,
You're
now you
fucking
definitely
disgusting.
catching some
You
charges.
pigs.
Definitely
You
catching.
pigs.
Back up.
Oh, you want to touch me? Oh, you want to touch me?
Get the f in the cell.
You fucking crazy? Punch me like that? You want to punch me? You fucking dead? Hey, scrub hair. Cool. And no water's allowed?
We don't have any other water right now.
That's crazy.
I'll look for a cup here in a second, but I have paperwork to do everything else, okay?
Yeah, that's fair.
So as soon as
I'm
you're-
parched and I need water now.
Okay, well, this isn't the Hilton.
Don't care.
Okay.
Didn't ask.
Would you like to keep acting like this and stay till 6 in the morning, or be released when your father gets here?
I didn't ask you to call my dad.
I didn't. I never called your dad. I don't even know how they found out, but I spoke to Mom on the phone. She said your dad's on the way. As long as you're fine, I'll release you to him, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, can I have a cup of water?
If I can find a cup, absolutely.
Cool.
Okay?
Thanks.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good.
I'm Patrolman Lee. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
You're Jenna's dad?
Yes.
Right. It might be a while. She still ain't acting right. So, she still wants to demand water like this is the Hilton. She's still screaming at us, calling us names. So, I mean, I'm not really in the practice of getting disrespected and then just letting somebody go early. So, I know you came down here. I'll give her a shot for another 20 minutes or so. And then if she's fine, we'll get her out to you, okay?
What did she do, if you don't mind me asking?
I mean, I can't really tell you. She's an adult. She's 24, but she's got some charges. So there'll be a court date. I'll make sure she has all the paperwork when she leaves. But, yeah, her conduct has not been wonderful. So,
Does she know I'm here?
yeah, no, I let her know.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, she's been accosting us over water, which I gave her a cup of water before, and she just wants more and more, and tell my dad and this and that, and, okay. Unfortunately,
Can I see her?
no, not right now. Like, we can't let civilians back in there. I apologize.
That's fine.
All right. No, I mean, I get it. She's safe. She's in the cell. She's not, harmed or anything like that. But her actions right now are completely just ridiculous. So, oh, all right. We got. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Just make a right once you go out the door. Right this way. And then just, no, not this one, all the way down. And then just make a right in here. Alright, you toss your sneakers on.
Oh, what? They've been here for like 2 hours? When I didn't have any water, right? It was a far drive to the water fountain.
Here's all your property.
Where's my phone?
You didn't have your phone with you. Let's see. charges. There's noise, interference with business, defiant trespass, assault, and resisting. The court date, I'll circle on here for you. It's going to be June 12th at 9 a.m. What's that?
What do y'all get charged with?
As far as what?
You guys actually kept me in there.
Okay.
You give me water.
I got you water.
Yeah, after how long I'm asking? Do you have that on video?
Sure.
Cool. Can I have that tape?
No, you can't. You'll have to ask for it.
Cool. I'm gonna call.
Okay. But your dad's out in the lobby. I got your charges right here. Just June 12th, 9 a.m. And then I would just also contact the court. Make sure nothing changed with the court date or anything like that, okay?
Are you proud of yourself?
For?
Making a big arrest?
I didn't arrest you.
Just...
Can you just make a right? This way?
An asshole?
Okay. Just right this way. We're just going
Why don't
towards
you
the
leave
brown
the way?
door.
I don't know where I'm going.
Just
Why don't you
right
leave
towards the
way?
brown door.
What's your name?
Patrolman Leave.
First name?
Eric?
Eric Lee.
Yep. Your dad should be right out here to the left.
You just listen to me left side.
Okay, have a nice day. Have a good one, sir.